Hi guys, it's your guy here, the unknown, and I believe we all had a beautiful week, okay? And today it was one of the best days, okay? Today was one of the profitable days, and this week was so clean, okay? So clean. We know that when we have non-farm, mostly they will pull people into one direction so that they punish during non-farm. And on the day itself, they might just squeeze, and not give big moves up until non-farm is released. And now I want to show you something very important, okay? This will help you going forward, and please remember this, okay? And write this down. Please, people blow their accounts trying to guess news, okay? You guess news, then the elephant walks past you when the gun is not loaded. Be there when the great trade is presented. Don't force trade, okay? And I always say, is this the easy trade? If it's not the easy trade, then don't take it, okay? Okay? And if you are actually opening a trade before news, it doesn't matter if you have a good setup, it doesn't matter if you are on a day 3, a day 2 continuation whatsoever. As long as you're opening a trade before news is presented, you actually don't have an edge, because all you know is that prices are gonna move so quickly, okay? That's all you know. But in which direction, you don't know. Nobody knows. Only market makers know, because they have the numbers and they're gonna use the news to actually manipulate or speed up the setup that's already there, okay? So today we had two different kind of news. When you have different kind of news like this, and you know that, okay, we only have 1 hour 30 minutes in between, obviously you have to know that it's in and out quick, okay? So those are the most two important things. And here's one last thing I want to share with all of you. When we have news like non-farm, okay, you don't want to be trading the news on a 5-minute time frame. You don't want to be trading news on a 15-minute time frame. You don't want to be trading news on a 1 hour time frame, okay? You want a 1 minute time frame, because news are going to be explosive, and a 1 minute time frame will show you what's happening, okay? Will show you what's happening. Now let's look at gold. I want to share with you something crucial, okay? Let's look at this. We have a very huge move to the downside, okay? This is a rally to the downside. Then we get an inside day. This is a giveaway. This is free cash, okay? After a rally, actually, let me just go to something I wrote in the community. I think it was yesterday, okay? I think I wrote this in the community. I'll just be fast, okay? An inside day after a huge rally is almost equal to easy money, okay? Actually, easy money, okay? An inside day after a huge rally is equals to easy money, okay? And let me explain this. Please write this down so that you remember this, okay? If we have a move going up and then we get an inside candle, that's a sign that they might reverse prices, okay? If we had a very big move and then all of a sudden we have an inside candle, that's a sign that they might reverse prices, okay? I know most of you always want to when I say an inside day is a giveaway, or an inside candle after a big rally, it's a giveaway. Most of you will see this inside candle and you want to trade. Guys, that's not the right way of doing things, okay? You have to know what you're doing and you need an edge, okay? So they gave an inside day. An inside day is just a day that helps them to trap volume. That's something very important, okay? It traps volume above and it traps volume below. That's why you see today, when you look at a 1 hour time frame like this, they just pinned the inside day and they pinned yesterday. This was a dead giveaway, but I know people were just guessing. Guys, it's about patience. You don't guess news, okay? If you have been guessing news, cease from that. You don't guess news. Rather, come to a 1 minute time frame. A 1 minute time frame will show you what is happening. Look at this. People guess news, okay? People guessed this candle. Maybe you got it right, but there is spread. There is they're gonna throw many tactics at you. Slippages. Sometimes news can wick up, go down, weak into your stop loss, then go into the right direction, okay? So that's something worth noting. And besides, we have two types of news today, or news presented at different times. That gives them an opportunity to manipulate, okay? So once you understand that, your goal is to wait for the right opportunity. You are a trader. You are a hunter, for heaven's sake. You don't want to deplete your ammunition trying to guess this, and when the trade is presented, already your account is blown. When the trade is presented, you depleted our ammunition shooting birds, and when the elephant passes, only regrets are left. Be a smart hunter. Wait for the right pray. If you went out to hunt elephants, wait for them, okay? So here's the thing. In the video that we did the day before yesterday, we spoke about how to enter. Look at this. How clean is this? For those who waited, how clean is this? This is a 1 minute time frame. Obviously, when there's news, we go to a 1 minute time frame. Wait for the easiest trade. What did we say the day before yesterday? If you lost this by guessing, just look at this and ask yourself, what are you doing? Okay, because this, it can't get easier or cleaner than this. Okay, I took this one. This candle was 40 pips, but it was a dead giveaway. The secret lies in being patient. Be patient, be patient, be patient. You see, they give a W. This is a pattern. Okay, they throw a pin. This shows you that they're not coming down anymore. They have trap traders. Okay, wait. The market is now broken to the upside. How do you know that market is broken to the upside? Obviously, you can see they made a high, they came down, they broke that high. This is a higher high. What did we say? Oh, don't chase moves. Wait for them to correct. They will correct. Why? This is normal market behavior. This is normal price behavior. Why? Because when they correct, they know that people don't want to wait. People see these candles and want to chase them. Everybody who entered here maybe had their stops down here along the way. They were close by this move. Remember, there were spreads, okay? They were close by this move. And guys, we spoke about this. How clean can this be? How clean can this be? This is the most cleanest entry. I don't even have to be showing it right now because you can see it. The only secret is, are you willing to wait? Okay, sometimes you think the market is going to move without you. No, it's a game of manipulation. They are not going to move without you. Okay, if they do, well, fine. Out of 10, only one will go without you. That's okay. You can miss 1 out of 10. Most of them, they are going to give you the same behavior that we talked about in the video we posted recently. The one that said only take easy trade. Go and watch it. The whole video is about entries. It's about how you enter. Pull back, engulf. That's all you need. Okay, I shouldn't be talking about this. Look at this, how clean it is. To the level, 100 pips, boom, right before the next news. If, by the way, I took it to the level, I didn't wait again. But if you waited, you could have get 140 something pips. But this for me was enough, okay? This for me was enough because there was still news coming. There was still news coming. So you could have exited before the news, okay? Because you know, or you could have trailed your stops to the high. It's fine. But one thing you know is that obviously news can then come back and eat into your profit before they continue, okay? So in, out, clean. In, out, clean. If you waited, maybe if you waited, you would have seen, okay, this one didn't present an opportunity. It just went up and up. As you can see, they broke here and then they went down. This is the first pullback. This is the first pullback. Look, engulf. It doesn't matter how small or big the engulf is. It's an engulf. It went up, engulf, continuation. If you waited, up, engulf here. And then this was more than 100 pips again. Guys, what more do you want? This is the most easiest. I asked this question. That's why I put it on my chart. Is this the most easiest trade? Is it the most easiest trade? Okay, let's look at GJ. Everybody was on GJ. I know all the eyes were on GJ today because GJ was on roughly day 3, day 1, day 2, day 3. But here's something that is important. They haven't taken out the last month's low, last month's high. Okay, they haven't taken out last month's high. Okay, and I don't believe they came this far to leave those who are in profit from last month. Remember, we have long-term traders. They haven't taken them out. But again, we are not talking about that. We are talking about the news and the opportunity presented by the news. You see, they went up and they were going up. They didn't really present a break-in structure. They went up again, up until this point. But you can see they didn't really give a nice opportunity, okay? A nice opportunity up until here, okay? Up until here. This is the only place where they gave a nice opportunity, but you must remember we had news coming on, okay? We had news coming on. So this one didn't present a really good opportunity. The same applies to Euro JPY because it's highly correlated with GJ. Look at this. They were just making higher highs. They broke it, but they never really presented opportunity, a nice opportunity up until this engulf. But okay, this is not a good engulf. But again, my concern again here was the timing. We were just a few minutes into the next news, so you don't want to be exposing your capital. And if you look here, this one just went down. Okay, so if you were gonna take this trade on a 1 minute time frame, you see your stop loss was gonna be a little bit fair, 20 pips. Okay, and you were gonna get roughly 50 pips, but they didn't really present that entry for me because I want them to do that, and the only time they presented, we were already at the low. Okay, and it was already too late. But gold, guys, you can't get this wrong. Okay, I took this trade right here. Okay, so it was a very clean one. When we look at GA, same thing. GA on an hourly time frame, let's look on an hourly time frame. It was on roughly day 3. Okay, because this is day 1 and yesterday was day 2, and I always draw a box. Okay, this is the bull killer zone. Okay, I always draw the box. But again, when there is news, we come to a 1 minute time frame. Already we were on day 3, and just look, people guess news. Why would you bother yourself guessing news? You don't know which direction news are gonna take. I don't know, most people who guessed this news, they took the direction towards the downside. Look, this is an M, a nice M, and it breaks structure. Okay, it breaks structure over here, and what does it do? They pull back. I told you, don't chase, move, wait. And then what did they do? They gave a beautiful engulf. Okay, we still know that there's news coming, but look, back to the level, 50 pips, clean, 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 done in 13 minutes. How beautiful can this be? Gold gave a trade back to the level. Okay, GA gave a beautiful trade back to the level. Clean, clean, clean. Easy, easy, easy. You are in and you are out. Okay, and then Euro Audi gave the same beautiful thing. Okay, when you look at a bigger time frame, they were on day 3. Okay, they were on day 3. They've already spiked. Okay, people took the spike because people are impatient. They want to guess, they want to guess, they want to guess. When you're guessing, let me tell you something. When you're guessing, you know one thing. You know that prices are gonna shoot. That's one thing you know. Which direction? You don't know. Okay, so you don't have an edge, and hence it's not the most easiest trade you can take. Okay, you only have an edge once the market shows you its hand. Wait for them. Okay, you see, they go up, they give a beautiful M. Okay, beautiful M. You see, beautiful M. They didn't break structure, but look at what they did. They went inside, and now they are dropping, and they give you this big engulf. Okay, the moment this engulf breaks here, you take your trade. You take your trade. You take your trade. Put your stops above here. Clean, 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 clean trade. Clean 30 pips, roughly 32. Okay, clean, 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 back to the level. Okay, clean, easy, easy, easy. Okay, this was what GA. Okay, I know many people didn't see the opportunities presented today because I don't know what people are expecting. Day 1, day 2. Obviously, today was day 3. I draw this box because they were trapping. Okay, they were trapping. And now let's go to a 1 minute time frame. When there is news, what do? You go to a 1 minute time frame. Okay, fine. What do you see? You don't guess news. You don't guess news. Already we are on a 3rd session, 3 session setup. Okay, what do? They gave a perfect M. You see, I told you about the inside candle, but we're not talking about that right now. You see, this is a perfect M. What do? They pull back and they engulf. Boom. Guys, you can't get it cleaner than this. What more do you need? Take this trade, put your stops here. Okay, in the recent video I posted, only take easy trades. This is what we spoke about. This is what we spoke about. This is the cleanest trade to the level, which is 54 pips, clean in 16 minutes. Guys, there were opportunities everywhere. You see, Euro USD. Okay, we have been going down, and obviously this is an inside day. I don't count this as a day that broke out. Okay, it's an inside day. Okay, it was, yes, a day 1, but it's not a breakout because they were out and in the next hour. So if I have to guess, I just say it's an inside day. Already you know. Okay, so let's go to a 1 minute time frame. So we got an inside day, same setup as gold. Okay, same setup as gold, we're gonna go to a 1 minute time frame, okay, and then we're gonna go to a 1 minute time frame, okay. We have our news, they go up, okay, they come down, okay, they come down, they break structure, okay, they broke structure. Look at this, look at how clean this is, this is the most cleanest trade. 33 pips before the next news, 33 pips to the level, 33 pips to the level, okay, 33 pips to the level. Already this move has broken up, okay, and now it's giving a very nice trend. This is a normal trend, okay, it's not let's see, it's not really creeping trend, okay, and this is your entry, you want to add another position, this is where you add another position, okay, you increase your lot size. This trade is a high probability. It's easy free money to the top. The second position took 26 pip. That's a lot. With a bigger lot size, you make more than all those who trying to guess news, because guys, you see, same setup. We have just been going down, and yesterday, obviously, this is almost an inside day, okay, this is almost an inside day. And let's look at what they give us on a 1 minute time frame. Guys, a 1 minute time frame will really give you the best easy trades. What is this, guys? You see, go up. You could have taken it here if you understood, but it's fine. Wait for the break in structure. It's still fine, but for those who understand, this was the easy entry. But again, the safest trade is here. This is a nice trend going up, okay, this is a nice easy trade to the level. This is 34 pips, easy. I'm not gonna count this one because I know we are not gonna be guessing news, and news can do anything, okay. We are not gambling, we are actually in a business. So if you're in a business, you have to be disciplined, know what you're looking for, and know what you want. This is the most easiest 35 pips you can get. High lot size, you get this one, increase your lot size, okay, because already the setup is there, okay. News will pull people into one direction so that they punish during non-form, okay. This is day one for Monday, but easy. This is the most easiest for those who took it here. It's okay, back to the level, 48 pips, roughly 50 pips, okay. But this is the most easiest one. And there are people who ask, but you don't wait for your session to begin. Guys, we spoke about this thing. If there are news, there's no need to actually wait for the session to begin. Besides, when the session begins, you only have one last news, and by the way, everything is gonna be gone. News will present good opportunities, okay. When you understand news, there is no need for you to wait for equity time. Just look at the picture that news is presenting for you. You see, people have been going up and up, okay. We were expecting this. I don't want to lie, we were expecting something like this, okay. Let's look at something. We go to a 1 minute time frame, okay. 1 minute time frame, okay. 1 minute time frame, then news spike up. People did what? They guess news. You don't guess news. You see, they come down, they pull back. Oh wow, they give you that inside candle. This is a free giveaway, but fine. If you are taking it here, it's still okay. There's a break in structure here, okay. They break structure with a pin, they go back. What do they give? They give that easy engulf. Your stops are here, okay. Your stops are here. Guys, this is the most easiest trade, okay. And besides this one, you didn't get to the level, okay. So you're managing the trade. Obviously you didn't get to the level, you got down here, okay. But if it's 50 pips, it's okay. And as it was going up, when it came down here right before the news, you could have closed, or you could have closed after these railroad tracks, but it's fine. It's an easy trade, even though it didn't get to the level, okay. I'm not really pushing guessing, okay, because I don't want to be in front of the news, okay. When you go to Nasdaq, you see Nasdaq, same setup. They were going down, News will pull people into one direction so that they punish during the news. It's only on a rare instance where they will actually continue during the news. Sometimes they will, but they don't do that most of the time. 80% of the time, they're gonna pull into one direction and punish during the news. Okay, if they want to continue, they'll continue later after they've punished. Okay, so that's something you have to know, because they have to book profit. You see, people guess news, boom, news took everybody down. What did they do after the news? They gave a nice W. Okay, a nice W. Okay, you see, this is your trade. Now they're showing they are going back. This is an engulf. It engulfed this, but it's also part of the rarer track. If you waited, you took it after this candle, obviously. Okay, if you waited, you took it after this candle. If you waited again, here's another engulf. Okay, so this was the most easiest day. Okay, easiest day. I know most people will say, but there's no buts. Back to the level. Back to the level. You see, easy. That's what we talk about. Easy. Look at USD CAD. 1 2 inside day after a huge rally. It's like an inside candle. When you get an inside candle after a big rally, just know they might be ready to reverse. But I'm not saying just enter whenever you see an inside candle. You have to know what you're doing. Okay, you have to understand what you're doing. Okay, so inside day is not different to this smaller inside candle. Okay, it's not different to this smaller inside candle. You see, today we were expecting this inside day after a huge rally. I wrote this yesterday, inside day, and there was a reason I posted that. Okay, there was a reason I posted this. I posted it way too late. I posted it in the evening. Okay, there was a reason I posted it, but I'm not gonna say it because I didn't even explain it. By the way, even if I tried to explain it, it wasn't gonna make sense. Okay, so you see, an inside day after a huge rally is almost equals to easy money. You see, what were you expecting today? Obviously, it's non-farm. We're expecting them to do what? To punish. Okay, but we're not just gonna enter because we're expecting them to punish. No, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna wait for the opportunity to present itself, and we are not gonna guess the news, because we are in a business. We don't guess news. Okay, you see, look at how clean this is. They go down after trapping people high. The move is already going high, by the way. Then they trap people high. Okay, they break structure. After breaking structure, they pull back, engulf. Oh God, this is everywhere. Anyway, let me just stop talking about this, because you can see this is literally everywhere. But people don't want to wait. We are inside the 20 EMA. People don't want to wait. People don't want to wait. I don't know why. Wait. Okay, wait. Okay, just wait. Just before the news. Okay, obviously we can't take it to the level because we are next to the level, but you can exit. Set an alarm. 5 minutes before the news, you exit. Okay, so if you exited 5 minutes before the news, obviously you got roughly 40. You see, this is amazing. 44 pips, clean and easy. They are not coming back. Okay, because they threw everybody into the wrong direction. This is so clean. They're not making higher highs, they're making low. This is a trend. This is a nice trend. Okay, this is a nice trend. Okay, this is what they mean by trend is your friend, not this other nonsense that everybody is actually chasing and whatsoever. This will get you trapped. Okay, so you see, all this trade gave a three session beautiful trade. Okay, who is in profit? They're going for them. Okay, but today we have news. We have to be aware that we still have news at 5 p.m. and after the news we want to get out. Okay, yes, they gave a, but I don't care about this one anyway, because I don't want to be counter trending. Okay, gold did the same, but I really don't encourage counter trending. Okay, but because it went above more than 300 pips, obviously it's gonna correct, and the correction might be more than 100 to 200 pips. Okay, so you see, just wait for the right opportunities, guys. Why are you guessing news? Why would you guess news? Where's, there's easy trades. Okay, I find it surprising when people keep asking, what direction is the news gonna take? Nobody knows. We don't know. We have a setup. One thing we know, news are gonna be explosive. Okay, and they're either gonna act as a catalyst or they're gonna ruin the entire setup. Okay, we don't know the results. How would you know how non-farm will be? Do you know if non-farm is going to come out negative or positive? Nobody knows. Not even the best traders in the world, okay? They don't know. Okay? That's inside information. That's illegal to know. Okay? That's illegal to know. You don't know. Nobody knows. The only people who know are market makers. Okay? They are the only people who know. So if you're still guessing news, I hope you will stop, because you are trying to get easy things, but that's not the easy things. You are taking the hard way to get the easiest things. Okay? And by the way, I really thank you guys. Please start looking at these things, okay? And on Sunday, let's have our Zoom meeting, okay? I'll try to reach out to everybody with the playbook tomorrow, and on Sunday, let's have Sunday late, obviously. Let's have the Zoom meeting so that anybody can ask questions and whatsoever. The playbook is actually one setup that I love, and which is actually my favorite setup, and it's one of the best, my most profitable setup. It's one setup, only one setup in the playbook, okay? And the reason is I actually want people to start focusing on one setup, and then later I will add another setup, and that playbook is still gonna be there. I'm gonna add to that one, and then I'll distribute to everybody who already has the playbook, okay? Beside, it's I just want everything to become simple for everybody. Simplicity for me, that's what matters more than any other thing, okay? That's why I decided to put one setup, okay? Because if there are too many setups, people are gonna find it hard to focus on too many setups. And personally, I focus only on two setups: day 2 continuations and day 3s. Those are the two setups I focus on day in, day out. There are many setups out there. People are teaching many setups, but focus only on less. Less is more, okay? Less is more. So personally, I focus on two setups, and right now in the playbook I have one setup. I will add the other setup to the playbook, and I'll just distribute to everybody who has it. And on Saturday, let's have a Zoom meeting, okay, so that we can actually discuss. Where you have questions, so I will clarify and all sort of stuff, because for me personally, it's about simplicity, okay? Simplicity. So guys, I really appreciate you. If you are new, hit the subscription button. If you are a family, please hit the like button and share or comment for the algorithm. The more people get this, the more people are gonna get easy things, because people are still struggling. I guess news, and when you're guessing news, you're struggling because you only know that news are gonna be explosive. They can explode upward, they can explode downwards, okay? So we wait for news to trade. Give us information. That's what we take. So guys, I really thank you so much, and I appreciate you all. Have a beautiful weekend, and let's have a Zoom meeting on Sunday, okay? You can also leave your email in the comment section, okay? We will be discussing the playbook. I appreciate you guys. Thank you.